Hello, Namaste, Xin Chao. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev, and today I brought you another EFT session that is going to work and help your anger. So if you are feeling some kind of anger and frustration, really a lot of anger is coming, then let's get out of it now. Once again, take a moment, sit down, close your eyes, let this anger be, and just become aware that how angry are you feeling. Just ask yourself, do I want to let go of this anger at the moment? Because if I keep having this anger, then I'm not going to live my life the way I need to, the way I should be, the way I could, right? So if you want to be with your family, with your friends, but this anger will not let you be with them 100%. So do you really want to let it go? If you do, if your answer is yes, so let's work on it. In the scale of 0 to 10, where are you? Whether this anger is 5, which is minimal, or 8, which is strong, where are you? Find it. So let's say you found the anger level is about 7. So let's work on it. Bring your hand this way and tap them together and say, even though I have this anger that I'm really feeling inside, I deeply and completely accept myself. I love myself and I forgive myself. Even though I have this anger that I really want to let go, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself and I forgive myself. Even though I feel this anger inside me, but I still deeply and completely love myself, forgive myself and let go of this anger right now. Because if I don't let go of this anger, then it will continue to run my life the way it has been, and I cannot live my life 100% the way I want, and therefore I want to let go of this anger right now. Even though I have this anger that I'm feeling right now, I deeply and completely accept myself and I allow myself to let it go completely. This anger, 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 this anger. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. See where your anger is now. Is it gone down? Or has it come up? Or has it changed in any way? If it's completely gone, if you're feeling completely fine, that's great. If you still feel a little bit, then let's go ahead, do a bit more of tapping. So tap here in the center. This anger. This anger. This anger. This anger. Back of the head, this anger. Under the arm, this anger. Center of the chest, this anger. Under the chin, this anger. Center of the forehead, this anger. Now chain the hand and tap onto your right hand, this anger. Throw it away. This anger. This anger. Take a long deep breath. And see now where is your anger. So if it's completely gone, that's perfect. If it hasn't gone yet, then don't worry. Replay the video and once again, go ahead, tap onto your facial points and keep going until it's gone. Normally, it should not take more than 5 to 10 minutes. But if it does, it's also completely fine. Just share with me and let me know so that we can work on it together. Thank you guys very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I thank you to all of you who have been joining me. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get all my videos as soon as they publish. Make sure to share this video with your friends and loved ones, whoever might be needing it at the moment. So thank you very much for joining me once again, and see you in my next video. Namaste.